Welcome to Door. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity careers. Whether you're just starting out or switching paths, understanding the different roles is the first step. A security analyst is often the front line of defense. They monitor systems, investigate alerts, and respond to incidents. They work with SIEM tools, logs, and threat intelligence feeds. If you enjoy detecting threats and solving problems in real time, this role is for you. SOC analysts work in security operations centers. They detect unusual activity and escalate real attacks. Threat hunters go even further, actively looking for hidden threats inside the network, even if no alert is triggered. It's proactive, investigative, and great for those who love puzzles. Security engineers build and maintain the tools that protect systems. They configure firewalls, harden systems, automate responses, and work with detection rules. If you like infrastructure and scripting, this role blends tech with security. Pen testers simulate real attacks to find weaknesses before real attackers do. They use tools like Burp Suite, Nmap, and Metasploit. It's hands-on, offensive, and deeply technical. Bug bounty platforms, red teaming, and client assessments are common in this path. Not all cybersecurity is technical. GRC professionals handle policies, audits, risk management, and compliance frameworks like ISO 27001 or NIST. If you like documentation, frameworks, and seeing the big picture, this is for you. Security consultants help businesses improve their security posture. They may specialize in cloud security, identity, architecture, or incident response. Consulting often requires broad knowledge, communication skills, and business thinking. Other specialized roles include IM engineers managing user permissions and authentication, cloud security engineers securing AWS, Azure, and GCP environments, incident responders containing and investigating active breaches, forensic analysts digging into logs and devices after attacks. The field is huge and growing. From analysts to engineers, a red team to GRC, cybersecurity offers careers for every skill set. Learn the basics, explore what excites you, and build from there. Subscribe to Door for more clear, focused cybersecurity content. Your future in cyber might start right here.